Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious roast beef and vegetable stir fry. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make our delicious roast beef and vegetable stir fry, we have about a half a pound of roast beef that we went ahead and cooked about a day ago, so we're using it up today. And over here we have 2 cups of mixed vegetables. Now we have broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, sugar snap peas, red and green bell peppers and onions in there, so that sounds good. And back here we have our green onions. It's the green onion stems. We're keeping the stems and the leafy parts separate. There's the leafy part, and there's about 4 green onions there. Alright, let's put some of this aside. Now we're going to make a delicious soy sauce for our roast beef and vegetable stir fry. We have here about a half a cup of water, and to that we're going to add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of brown sugar, put that in there, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, put that in there. Now we're going to mix that up. Okay, that's good. Now all we have to do is start stir frying. Alright, to make our delicious roast beef and vegetable stir fry, we have our large cast iron skillet here today, and we're going to set our burner to medium high. And let's put a little high smoke point peanut oil in there. Okay, our pan's nice and hot. Now we're going to take all our nice mixed vegetables and put them right in there. Alright, let's stir fry them. Get them coated with a little bit of oil. Now we want to fry these until they're just tender, but still crunchy. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Put that in there. And we're going to take the stem part of our green onions, you know, the thick part, and we're going to put them right in there. Now we're going to take our soy sauce mixture, you know, with our cornstarch and everything, and put that right in there. And we're going to go ahead and lower our burner temperature to medium. Okay, that looks really good. Let's go ahead and lower our burner temperature to medium-low. And we'll take all our nice roast beef and we'll put that right in there. Now it's already cooked, so you don't need to really do anything but heat it up. Now we're going to take our green onion leaves and we're going to put them all in there. And we'll mix them in gently. Boy, does this smell good. Look at that roast beef. That's beautiful. Okay, that looks really good. Let's just go ahead and shut off our burner and let's get ready to have a taste test. Alright guys, here it is. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? That's our delicious roast beef and vegetable stir fry. And let me tell you, boy does that smell good. You're really going to enjoy this. Because if it tastes half as good as it smells, we're in for a treat. Let's sprinkle a little sesame seed on top. Make it look pretty. Wow guys, look at all that roast beef. Doesn't that look good? And all those vegetables. This is really going to taste good. Because I know that roast beef was very tender when we cooked it yesterday. So I'll leave a link in the description for that, of how we did that. You'll really enjoy that, so go ahead and take a look. Okay, let's go ahead and have a bite. I can't wait any longer. Okay, look at that guys. Can you see that roast beef? That's going to be tender. Alright, let me have a taste. Boy, is that delicious. You're going to love this. Just serve this up to your guests. Now this will serve like 4 people. Just put about, a couple scoops on a little plate and serve it up with your favorite beverage and you're good to go. Boy, is this tasty. You're really going to enjoy this. Just go ahead and make it this way. And the seasonings in that sauce, perfect. Alright guys, you know what to go good with this since we're having this for a nice dinner? A nice chilled bottle of red wine. Doesn't that sound good? It really does. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious roast beef and vegetable stir fry. That's what's for dinner tonight. And boy, does that sound good. Alright, let me see if I can show you just how tender this roast beef is. Let me get one out of here for you. Watch this. Oh man. Yeah, I just have to have another little taste. Don't tell anybody. Look at that guys. Okay. Is that good? Your guests are going to love this.